Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I decided to go do a little bit of carp fishing in this roadside ditch I had found this year. I had a lot of fun, had a lot of luck, caught a couple fish, and it was really nice because even though they were small, I was using light gear and it was a ton of fun. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Ball that up. Okay. Watch me catch a carp. This cast. Watch. Just let it out there. Just let it sit. Oh, we already got one, I think. Yep, got one. Get one. Got one. As I said. Easy peasy. Okay, now I just gotta get the net. Now that we have the net. Okay, camera's still rolling. Got a little carp. What a way to start the video. Just gotta get that sucker, lift his head. Okay, come on. Yeah, he's not done. Oh, he's in the net. Let's freaking go. Little baby coming. Little petite coming. Okay. He's gonna swim off good, hopefully. Oh, nope. Still in the net. Okay. He keeps on swimming into the net. Okay, there we go. Oh, that was almost instant. Okay, let's... Oh, more bubbles already. Let's see how fast we can get another one. Maybe not that fast. Oh, no, yes we can. Another one. Hoo-hoo. Hoo-hoo. The little carp. Another one. I really want to see if we can get like a mirror, koi, a ghost, anything special today. I know there's a drum in here too. Another little common. Hoo-hoo. This one's a little bigger. Oh yeah, you can see he's got something funky going on with him. Oh shoot, he's missing a fin here on this one side. Something's chewed his one fin right there. Okay, wait, let's just want to see how this is going. Nice little comment. Okay, he's going back now. Yeah, this one's beaten up pretty good. He was beaten up pretty good, that little fella. Okay, backpack to hold it up, and oh my gosh, we have one. We have one again. No, 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 do not go over there. Do not go over there. No. Woohoo. Nice little comment. Just a beautiful bar of gold. Yeah. Oh, I almost jumped out there at the end. And oh my gosh. That is fish number 3, baby. Bobber. Here we go. Woohoo. Just a nice little baby coming. Okay, we good. Okay, gonna release him now. Just gonna take the hook out first. There. Swims off strong. This little handy dandy thing lets me know. Oh shoot. Gosh. Dang it. Whew. Just took an absolute fall there. Saw fish take it and geez. Oh my gosh, thought I lost him there for a sec. Just absolutely ate it there. It's like, oh shoot, fish. And just went for it. But I absolutely ate it. Oh shoot, no. Not on the rocks, not on the rocks. Not on the rocks. I know good enough that that'll cut me off. Oh, not on the snag. Just another squeaker. I mean, nothing big. Still looking for that big one. Couple 10s in here. Just right now, some little babies is all we're getting. But I mean, hey, number 4. Fish number 4. Smallest one by far. Easily smallest one I've ever caught here, but hey. Absolutely ate it when I was trying to get over to this little guy. Swims off strong. Sucker swims off strong. Holy smokes. I freaking ate it. Shoot. Shoot. Another one. Another one. Oh, he does not feel bad. I tell you right now, they fight pretty well. Hoo-hoo. Oh, he sees that net and just skedaddles. Gosh. Another one. He's escaping me. Another little baby. Another little baby. But for now, see you later, bud. That was number 5. Oh shoot, we got one. Gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a little bullhead. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny that thing is. The thing is absolutely tiny. Okay. Unexpected catch. Shoot. Shoot, got one. Gosh. people on the highway looking at me. I don't know if you'd call that a highway. It's more just a busy road. But I mean, in my terms, it's basically a highway. Here, let's put them up. Shoot. Get in there. Okay. This is another really small one. Little baby common. Number 7, yeah. Let's get him back. Oh shoot. You need to swim out of the net, not into the net. Oh, yep. Yep, you see that? Got him. It's a little catfish. They're annoying because I'm trying to catch the carp. Nee, het is niet te vroeg nie, mama. En als got him. That's a carp. That's a carp. Oh shoot, mama, my other rod. Shoot.
I got it.
Got him. Oh my gosh. It's a catfish. It's a catfish. Can you just take this one? Give me. Yeah. Yep. Another pet fish. Another pet fish. Now this is that's the carp we want. Now you gotta reel it a bit too. Do you know what? No, don't. Yeah. A little catfish. This is the fish we want. It's little petite carp. Oh geez. Nope. Oh my gosh, that's the smallest one today. Beautiful little carp. Let's see if we can get his fins up. Oh shoot. Catfish, that's my other rod here. That's finally another carp. Okay.
This is not fun.
Freaking I hate these. Flippin' out. Oh, I freaking hate these things. No fin. Nope. That is a fish. Another catfish. Shoot, he's really chomping on my fingies there. I did fish for a couple more minutes, but I didn't get much, and the catfish wouldn't just leave me alone. So I decided to pack up, and yeah, I'd say I had a pretty good day. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, click that like button. If you want to see more content, subscribe. Have a good day.